What's that on your back? What's that on your back?
It's the midget sword. I had it all along. Oh my god, I lied to shit crap. The midget sword.
I'm looking! I want to see it.
With your eyes.
Mine! Mine!
Don't break that. That was $40 at my flea market.
What flea market?
I got for the fleas on your back. Give me the sword. You're on a camera range. Oh god.
What? I'm not a camera range. I'm having enough with you.
Oh, I thought you said you were having an affair.
What? I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I'm leaving.
Give me the sword.
No!
Back here.
Bang!
Bang, and then pull you back. Because I'm just so awesome. I have defeated Zacchaeus. And I now have the midget sword.
Oh, bite me. You broke the magic sword!
And so, that is the quest for the midget sword. Wasn't that fun? Yeah. Tune in later for some more of Mental Man and Thaddeus' adventures. The next episode is going to have something to do with them. The